Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2017 Ram 1500 in a Bighorn trim and powered by a 5.7-liter Hemi V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Coming with mud flaps on the front and rear tires, running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and a soft top tonneau cover on the back to keep your belongings covered and protected from the elements. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. You even have a little fold-out cargo platform here so you can keep everything flat. And underneath you have some storage compartments. And then even under the mat on either side, you have some pretty deep storage bins there too. Then in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having two more in the middle here with a 12-volt power outlet. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 77,964 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your cruise controls as well as your manual gear shift buttons. And on the left you have your hands-free phone controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your information such as your digital speedometer, all of your vehicle service information and stats, your fuel economy, trip A and B information, your towing status, your radio station, any messages, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. On the back side of the steering wheel, you have your hands-free radio controls, but then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio Sirius, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth capable. So you have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your seat controls because you do have heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. You have all of your apps and controls in one convenient place for ease of access. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate so you can stay comfortable at different temperatures. And then you have your Bluetooth phone control screen right here. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Moving on from that, though, you have your media controls with your hazards and your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate, as well as heated front seats and a heated steering wheel. Then you have your trailer brake controller, traction control shut off, your tow haul mode, and your front and rear park assist sensor shut off. Then to the left, you have your main shifter on a dial, very convenient, with your four-wheel drive controls with 4x4 auto. And then moving on to the right, where you have a 115-volt power outlet and a little cubby there. Then you have a little cubby there, and your center compartment, or center console area, where you have plenty of room for storage, two cup holders, slots for your phone, and then your center compartment / armrest with two USBs and your auxiliary inside, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio. But then this is a second compartment as well, which is much deeper for much more storage. And then looking back, you do have a power sliding rear window. And last but not least, a power moonroof so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself and have a nice day.